Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you what's inside of the box of the REOLINK Smart POE video doorbell. So first, we need to open it. And as you guys can see here, the first thing that we see is what we get here. So let me unpack it. And as you guys can see, first here we have probably the instruction. Now the next thing that's here is basically the doorbell and the chime. Now the next thing that we have is an Ethernet cable. It's 1 meter. Now the next thing here is the mounting plate, as you guys can see here. Here what we have is jumper cables, and here is some more of them. Now here there's a pack of screws, and that would be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.